Alright, time to ship out orders. Let's go get them. So we got here the Air Force One grade school and one of the preschool right here. Yung 3Y, nabenta natin yan. So yan, saka yan. Nabenta rin natin tong Air Jordan 1 low na grade school. Ang retail nito is $75. Nabenta natin yan ng $98. Kaya yung profit natin, halos $20 yung profit natin dyan. And then yung Air Force 1 na grade school, ito sobrang mura. It's very cheap when I found this one on one of my Foot Locker sitting and no one's buying them. And I bought this for $39.97, and then I have to buy another one to make it $50 to use the $10 coupon. So malaki ang return of profit natin dyan. Nabenta natin yan ng $70. And then next one, ito yung Jordan 1 mid na preschool, purple, pulse active punch, $65. Ayan siya. Nabenta natin siya ng $109. Yun. Next one, sold the Jordan 11 retro, another preschool 3Y. Yan. And then what else we sold is yung Hammer Discus Throw na shoe. Ito yun. Ayan. Tapos isang ganito na pang soccer. Ayan, Adidas na cleats. Simulan natin dito. Ito yung Adidas Adizero na Discus Hammer Track and Field. Parang ano lang siya, normal na sapatos lang, pero yan siya, size 11. Nakuha natin yan ng $19.99. We bought it for $19.99 and we sold it for $69. That is more than 200% return of investment. Another cheap cleats. This one is Adidas Adizero cleats na anniversary football. Yun, cleats. And we got it for $19.99. Comparable value is $90. At nabenta natin yan ng $56.99. So doble na naman ang kita natin dyan. So ang next is Jordan 11 retro low preschool white legend blue, $80 retail. And there we go. We sold this one for $129. It's worth the wait for this one to hold on, even though some people are saying they are brick, but it's Jordan 11. You gotta realize it's Jordan 11. Alright, so next one, nabenta natin yung Lebron. Ayun, lumalabas na itong mga Lebron natin. Halos break itong mga to eh. Pero nakuha natin yan sa Nike Factory Store. Nandito lahat yan. Tapos dito pa siya. 10.5 yung nabenta natin. Ito yan. Alright, so here we go. We got the Lebron Super Braun White Comet Red. Size 10.5. Ang retail niya is $200. So here we go. I mean, for me, this one is not bad at all. Yan. So okay naman siya. Ang ganda nga eh. So sabi ko kapag magkikip ako, siguro kikip ako. Isa pa lang yung Lebron na shoes na hinuhold ko na pang collection eh. So malamang baka pwede pa akong ganito. Pero nakuha ko to sa Nike outlet, $79.99 minus 30% off. So nung nakita ko yun, talagang dinamihan ko na. Ang problema nga lang noon nung binili ko yan, 5 per person. So buti na lang kasama ko yung pamilya ko nung bumili ako. So tapos ang problema pa noon, kasagsagan pa ng COVID, limit ng 5, tapos wala silang basket. So ang problema ko noon, hindi ka makakabili ng marami dahil usually meron silang basket, paglalagyan mo ng mga shoes, pero wala. So yung pwede mo lang kargahin, yun lang. So yun nga, $79.99 minus 30% off, nabenta natin yan ng $139. So almost 100% na return. Okay na rin kahit hinold natin yan ng almost a year. So yun. So alright, after shipping all the orders, now we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the one that we did on Nike.com. It is a customization from the sneakers app. I mean the Nike app. So let's take him out. Ilan po sa inyo, anyone who take an L's on the Jordan 1 Travis Scott from men's, I mean the retro high and also the low? So I wanted to get me one of them, but unfortunately it's hard to win those. So what can we do? Then try something different, something that we could do like customize on the Nike.com. So this is my custom from Nike.com, inspired with the Jordan High Retro or Jordan 1 Retro Travis Scott fragments. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Okay, so yun. Tignan mo, ang ganda ng pagka-icy ng bottom niya, outsole niya. Tapos yung midsole na ginawa ko, parang to, kung mapapansin mo siya, parang siyang age yung midsole niya. So yun yung kinaya natin doon. Tapos ang mismong talagang inspired niya is yung low, kaya itong part na toe box guard niya dito, it is mostly white, tapos yung top niya is yung blue ng fragment din doon sa dito sa back ng heel niya rito, heel guard. So yun, tapos ginawa natin is kakaiba yung shoes niya, hindi yung plain na lang ng leather. May kakaiba siyang design sa shoes niya, pero mostly halos lahat na ng leather niya is pare-pareho na dito, from toe box, from dito sa eyelets niya, dito sa likod, tapos dito rin sa Nike Air branding sa likod. Hindi ko na ako naglagay ng pangalan dito kasi nga okay lang, ayoko nang lagyan ng kakaibang design niya. I think pwede ka pa rin maglagay ng something different here on the back, but more custom, like put some name or put some number, but I just wanted to make it more simple. Yun, happy ako at kahit paano ay makakagamit tayo ng inspired ng Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott fragment, kasi ang hirap makabili at kahit naman gusto tayong bumili, ayaw ko naman mag-spend ng grabing halaga para lang makakuha ng ganun. Pagtsagaan ko na lang to kasi gagamitin din naman natin, pupudpudin rin naman natin. So ayun. So what do you think, guys? Ano sa tingin niyo itong custom made na nagawa natin ng Jordan 1 Low inspired of the Travis Scott and fragments? So guys, yan, nagustuhan niyo po ba? Yan, leave lang kayong comment dun sa baba. Bago natin tapusin ang vlog na to, remind ko lang po dun sa giveaway natin, dun sa isang Mabenta tayo. So remind ko yung giveaway natin dun sa isang vlog natin ng malapit na tayo, wala pa, mga nasa kalahati lang yata. Kaya 100 likes, nasa 50 pa lang tayo eh. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nun or hindi kapag naka-join ng giveaway, join na po kayo ng giveaway doon. Madali lang po, basta lang sundin nyo lang yung nung mechanics ng giveaway natin, at basta maka 100 likes tayo, giveaway tayo nung Jordan 1 Low.